guided meditation, your gazebo in a magic park. Get your journal ready, and I'll give you 3 questions. Those questions will help you to unload the information and make a space for new information that comes to help you to shift to parallel reality, where is your best version of self already live, that it's in your mind, that's it in your dream. And also don't forget your dream. What is on your heart? Think about what is on your heart. Okay, ready? Question number 1. What dream, wisdom, or future version of myself has been calling me lately through thoughts, emotions, body sensations, or nighttime dreams? Write without censoring. Let your intuition lead. Ease your logic. Think about magic. Question number 2. Where in my life do I feel excitement mixed with fear? And what might this be signaling about my next expansion? What if it's possible? Notice what feels alive. What is exciting you? Question number 3. If my intuition could speak clearly right now, what would it gently invite me to remember or refocus on? What your intuition refocus on? Even if it doesn't make any sense, write it down. Expect miracles. And when you finish, we'll continue. You can pause the video. And when you're ready, take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Slow down. Find yourself comfortable sitting or laying down. And breathe slowly. Inhale a little bit longer than usual. Hold your breath for a couple seconds. And exhale slow. Let your body settle. Listen to your body. Let your shoulders soften. Let your face relax. Close your eyes. Relax your eyes. Breathe naturally. Relax your face. Relax your forehead. You came here for a reason. You came here with a dream. A dream you've seen or felt or sensed through different clues, images that trigger you. A dream that already visited you before, maybe in sleep or in your daydream. In the moments of excitement, in the moments of curiosity, or simply knowing that's what you want. The dream you don't chase, but you just remember your future. Yes, it's possible. Softly repeat inside. I came with a dream. I came to recall. I open my heart. I receive it all. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Feel your awareness gently shift inward, as if door open behind your eyes. You begin to notice you are standing at the entrance of the magic park. A park that exists beyond time. This place your soul recognizes instantly. It's so familiar to you. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale, like reconnect with those senses. Affirm in your mind, this place I know. This path is mine. I walk with trust through space and time. And again, make a deep inhale, slowly exhale. Settle with your senses. Come back to comfortable breathing. Relax your belly. Accept this beautiful magic. and you step forward into this beautiful magic park. Notice the colors. They're richer than ordinary. Everything feels so alive. You see and you feel vibration. The spark, very intelligent. The air is fresh, warm, and welcoming. And every breath you take feels so nourished, nourishing. With each step, your body feels lighter. With each step, you feel more present, more grounded. This magic park responds to you and adjusts to your frequency instantly. More calm and relaxed you become, you notice that it's beautiful vibration around you changing. And now whisper in your mind, the space respond, the path align, the world reflects my inner sign. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale and connect. As you walk, memories flicker not from past but from the future. Moments you have lived yet. Somehow you recognized your future self. With each step, you feel, you tell yourself, it's mine. It's familiar to me. Trust your feelings. Trust your excitement that's happening in your body, the vibration in your body. It's your guidance. And affirm to yourself, I trust the spark. I trust the call. My body knows before it all. And ahead of you, you notice something glowing softly. In the heart of this magic park stands beautiful gazebo, elegant, sacred, and perfectly placed. It feels so familiar, as you've been here before, as if you designed it for yourself. This gazebo exists between timelines, between who you were and who you are ready to be. Whisper inside, between the now and what I see, I meet the truth of who I'll be. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Settle those vibrations in your body. You approach gazebo gently, slowly, and your comfort zone expand with your breathing. Notice how safe your body feels here. Notice how your curiosity grow, your excitement grow. Sense the energy in your body. Scan your body with your breathing. With each step you take, and now you step into gazebo. One more step. One more step, and you in the middle of gazebo. And now you notice under your feet a quantum circle field. Feel support under your feet. And yet, gentle vibration that connect you to all this magic park and gazebo. And here you pause. Find your breathing. Connect with your breathing. You're in a circle of very powerful energy that reminds you something that you know. It reminds you about the vibration that you're ready for right now. You feel shifting in your body with your breathing. You feel how vibration adjusts to every cell on your body. Your frequency recalibrates and every cell begins to reboot. And familiarize itself with a new comfort zone. And affirm in your mind, cell by cell, I come online. This future self already mine. Breathe comfortably. This future self already mine. Feel it. And if you want, you can gentle hum. Make a gentle hum. Mm. Mm. Feel your expansion. Your body relax into possibility. And now you tune up with your intuition. Watch images come to your mind. Relax your belly. And just trust the flow. Now you see ideas might surface about your dream. Your thoughts may arise that didn't make sense before, but now it's become so clear to you. Possibly people you met, now you know why. something happened to you and you see what it's for. Allow everything what's come to you. Just come. Just allow it to come through. You here to upload this information that will help you to realign your vibration, to shift to that parallel reality that it's yours. Repeat in your mind. I don't force. I don't explain. I let the wisdom rearrange. You are now uploading codes and information arrive through sensation, images, emotions, and simply knowing. Inhale and exhale. Help the process. You safe, you protected, you supported. You see the clues. You see those breadcrumbs. All the signals and tips from your future self. Affirm in your mind. I trust what comes. Both seen, unseen. Each message serves my greater dream. Now you step in remembering the future self. With each within circle, with each breath, you sense a presence. It is you, your future best version that you want to be. It's you. You connected now. It's already within you. You can communicate cell to cell. It's vibration. Feel the confidence. Feel the certainty. Feel this grounded excitement. Now you're owning this state. I remember now. I recognize the strength, the truth behind my eyes. Breathe deeply. Help this energy and vibration settle in you. Your future self shares all these impressions, feelings with you now. It's you, and you remember that. Now you see choices you did. It's all good. All those moments you said yes, you did right. Remember those times that you expanded and took a step forward. It's all perfect. And now you realize those steps were necessary for you to see this dream clearly, which is you step into right now, and you embody it with every cell. So it's all about vibration. The universe will open it up for you. Stay confident. Own this feeling. Affirm to yourself, my intuition lead me right. I trust it, Pooh. I trust my light. Allow this settle in your body. Relax. Breathe comfortably. And now notice the quantum circle begin to expand. Slowly and gently expand wider and wider. With each breath you take, it grows beyond your feet, beyond your body. Feeling the gazebo, but you remain centered, calm and present Affirm to yourself, I stay grounded as I grow. Expansion feels safe. Expansion flow. The circle, the sphere continue to widen, moving into the magic park. You stay centered and you watch it. And now it's expanding over trees. And few more breaths you take. It's expand over the horizon. Breathe comfortably. Now you feel so comfortable here. And you realize something profound. You sense the expanding with it. You expand with this very field. Yes. Your awareness grows. Your capacity grows. Your comfort zone is grow. Whisper to yourself, as far as I sense, as wide as I feel, my dreams become grounded, embodied, and real. With a natural flow, you stay centered, and yet you become so big. This is your place. This is natural evolution. Feel the confidence now. Steady confidence within. Your confidence say, I trust myself. Whisper to yourself in your mind, I trust my peace. I trust my way. I meet my future day by day. And now you notice you center, and your body knows how to hold this frequency. Your nervous system recognizes it as safe, new comfort zone. Whatever feels once like new, now feel like home. I grow with ease wherever I roam. With each inhale and slowly exhale, let this very confidence anchor deeply in your chest, in your spine, and in your breath. Now all these vibrations stabilize around you, and your gazebo, always accessible, it's yours. It's your place to be whenever you want to come back. You can return here anytime. This place lives within you. Whisper in your mind, I walk ahead with trust and grace. My future self sets time and place. Take a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Slowly connect with your body. You can move your toes. You can move your fingers. You feel the room. You feel the now moment. Now you're back with a new frequency. You activated your dream right now. And you can whisper to yourself, I am aligned. I am awake. I trust each step I'm meant to take. And you can either fall asleep or come back and journal your thoughts and ideas. You find those final questions in the end. And I will see you in the next video.